gonna go. I'm gonna close my eyes, folks. Close my eyes. Got these good and mixed up. We're going with the Teasmo. All right, yeah. Now that's all honest, and that's all. I did not. I closed my eyes and I was praying for a good car. Now I got a good car. So I'm gonna go with the Teasmo. Love it. Love the little Teasmo. This guy's almost as good as my friend. He's a little quicker. He's a little quicker, a little faster paced car. He's got better brake handling and stability. To be honest with you, that's what I think.